Good day, listeners. Today we will show you guys how we clean our gadget, which is laptop, in a proper way. First, before anything else, we make sure that we unplug everything and our computer is turned off to avoid any electric injuries. The outside of the casing can be cleaned using a lint-free cloth. And always wash the cloth after using it. Then, we wipe the entire laptop by using tissue. Make sure that if you use tissue, you just use it once. It can also be used to clean the LCD panel. It is advised to use a zigzag motion to wipe the screen from top to bottom. If the dust stuck from the inside of our computer, just use this tool for you to easily wipe or get the dirt in it.
As for the keyboard, this is how we do it. We just brush it gently by using this tool. It helps us clean every corner of our keyboard. For cleaning through your keyboard and removing dirt and grime from confined areas, use pressure air to spray out the dust for cleaning areas you can reach, including keyboard contacts. And here is the final output. As you can see, there is no sign of dust on the laptop. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Let me end this video with a quote from Wallace D. Wattles. It is essential to have good tools, but it is also essential that the tools should be used in the right way. Tama nga naman siya. Mahalaga na may maganda tayong gamit o tools, pero mas mahalaga na ginagamit natin ito sa tamang paraan. Sa ganitong paraan, napapahaba natin ang buhay ng ating mga gamit at mas napapakinabangan pa natin ito ng mas matagal.